Okay, back to more of my favorite animals. I love cats, the big ones especially.
Yeah.
And here we are in the Asian exhibit?
Jaguar Jungle.
Yeah, okay, Jaguar Jungle, of course. So,
South American.
Jaguars.
Yeah. She went over here.
Okay, where'd you go, honey?
Keep going.
Say hello.
She's drinking. And she's off.
Pretty. And there's the other one. He's sleeping. Oh, he's pretty. I want one. I'm going to open up. Going to buy a big house with a lot of land and have a lot of big cats one day. It shall be amazing. Bye-bye.